Oh my God, a baby fish, a baby bird. I'm gonna go save a baby bird. Holy shit, I'm gonna go there and save that baby bird. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's running away from me. There it is. There it is. Don't be scared. Look at that, guys. I just saved a baby bird and he's full of maggots. Oh my God, I'm gonna go take care of him. He is full of maggots. Waited till their parents come here and try to freaking bite me. He is full of maggots. I'm gonna have to go back there. Okay. And yep. Can you guys see that? Look, I just pulled the maggots straight from this bird. Man, that's sad. Look, pulled another one. I'm gonna pull all the maggots out of this bird, bro. Look, another one. Another one. Damn, this baby bird is full of maggots. No, baby, don't be scared of me. Don't be scared, I'm trying to save you. Look at that. Another one. Another one. Another one. Man. Look. He can finally open his eye. Look at the difference from when I got him. No. Oh, their parents are right there. They're right there. I hope they don't come bite me. Man, if they... No. Right there. Look. The last one. It's in his feather. It's in his wing. Look. There you go. He is fully restored. I'm not even lying, guys. When I first got him, he was full of maggots. Oh yeah, there's another one over here. Is it or no? No, it's not. See, look, his eyes are open now. Hello, little buddy. Oh my God, he's shaking. Where is the nest? Because I would literally climb on those trees to put him back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, what I can do is put him like in an open tree so he doesn't get eaten by a snake or anything. Come on. So there it is. Okay. The parents are right there. I can see them. They have a red head, white body, and black back. So, oh, there's some fish over there. I'm just gonna lay him over here. Right there, buddy. Right there, buddy. There. Oh, hello. Come over here. Come on. Don't be afraid of me. I'm gonna put you over here. Yeah, stay there. All right, guys. I just put him over there. Their parents over there. They'll take care of it. Man, I feel so good.